you talk about a network of factories and they go, so you've got 50 factories, right? And all this gets really confusing. We say, look, at the end of the day, you've got a catalog of products, right? And you darn well know that every one of those products has a specific factory that it will best fit in. Do you want to go negotiate with 50 factories and manage that? I mean, is that how you want to spend your day? Or do you want to get the best price across all of these, know that each of these are going to get delivered effectively and manage it all from central interface, right? What is the problem you're experiencing?
I think one of the biggest shifts is, and that's not just for us, we certainly had to learn along the way, but I think it's also customers. There's the psychological shift from the model where you're outsourcing and you have all these counterparties you negotiate against. So naturally, in that kind of situation, for somebody to win, somebody else has to lose.
Right.
And that's not exactly the way things work in our model. In fact, I still remember going to first few factories and saying, hey, we're going to bring you jobs that are going to be a really good fit for your model. You're not going to lose any money. You're going to make money. And their first question was, well, somebody's got to lose something. So how am I going to get screwed over here? And the answer is you're not, right?